Hi, International Moving Doctor here, giving you a quick walk around the warehouse, see what we got in today. Going up the first row here, we have some pretty good looking pallets. Nice green one here, again, Spain, got Portugal, Bulgaria's in the house. Got a couple of here going to Germany. Got some nicely packed U-crates here going to Germany, Portugal, more Portugal, even more Portugal. Pretty popular destination. Going over here we have some wooden crates. These are what we call lift vans, going to France. And normally trade, that's like other moving companies who use us to ship their stuff. Got some more shipments up here. Got some going over there to Spain and Portugal. Here we've got more Portugal. Got a loose load shipment coming here. It's packed in Europe and came across. At the warehouse at the back here we have our empty U-crates. These are the kits flat packed before they go out to a customer. There's some U-crate 200s there. Pallets for customers. More U-crates. Here's a view down the whole of the warehouse. It's a pretty long, big warehouse we have here. It's winter, so it's fairly empty at the moment. It gets pretty busy in the summer. We've got some long-term storage over here. These are shipments that are coming from Europe. We've shipped them across from Europe, cleared them through customs. They come into the US warehouse here in South Carolina. And we store them until people have found got their new homes, and then obviously we'll arrange delivery to them. It's got a bunch of freight here for Australia, waiting to go in a container. And over here we have, I believe we got New Zealand, various U-crates and pallets, waiting for a container load to go into New Zealand. Down the left-hand side here we have a bunch of U-crates in the kits, all wrapped up, ready to go out to customers. These are the ones. They look like 3 U-crates on a pallet. They look like 2 U-crates on the pallet. There's some ones all ready to go out to customers. Over here we have UK freight. Nice pallet there. Some more pallets. Again, they're waiting for a container to go out to England. We're not sending them at the moment because if we sent it now, they're actually going to get there at Christmas, which really wouldn't do any good. So we're waiting really till nearer Christmas, and then we'll send it by ocean freight so it arrives in England after Christmas, so it won't get stuck in delays at the port when they're shut, celebrating over there as they do for a week or two. This is a shipment that came in actually on pods, in a pods container that someone loaded at the house. We're just putting it on pallets like this, ready to then go off in a container. I believe this one is going off to Portugal. So we're in the middle of actually packing it up onto pallets, and then we'll shrink wrap them and send it all off to our European office in Holland, and then it clears customs and delivers down to Portugal. But just to show you what it looks like if you use our shared container service, where you pack everything up. This time they put it in a pods, sent it to us, we unload the pods, and then we're going to pack this all up in pallets and crates and put it all in our shared container service. The surfboards here are going to go on top of crates. They'll be fine, and because obviously they won't really fit on a pallet or in a crate, so we'll just lay them on top of the other crates and they'll be fine up there.